Okay, to change the music. Something different, something completely different. I'm going to for Fez. Do you want Fez? Evil. I'm from Slovakia, but I live in Prague, Czech Republic for 10 years now. Where are you from, Effector? And also, how old are you? We had the conversation with Kalimian and D7 the other day, bragging who's older. And Miblo was there as well, but he's a youngling, so it doesn't count really. Oh, a Czech roommate. That's nice. Ah, US, 30 years old. What time zone are you in? Well, compared to D7, you know, everybody's youngling. Even me. Oh, that's so cool. I'm also programming on 86 since around 14, yeah. Yeah. I had a Zex. D7 is here. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I have had a ZX Spectrum. Well, actually, it's a local communist, Russian, Slovak clone, whatever thing that was, but it was actually close to. It was called Didactic Gamma. It was my first computer. Oh, it's actually in Czech. Yes, this is it. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, yes. The youngster list. Hello, Mr. 4 Dimension. Oh, that's so cool. The Winamp clone. Actually, we still need, I still need a music player. It's simple enough. Dead flash keys? Which ones are dead flash keys? Yeah, on a ZX Spectrum it was a dead flash. It was a rubber keyboard as far as I remember, but these one were plastic. It was actually good keyboard. I liked it. I actually have two of these at home. One has a broken case and a keyboard. The other one has a broken something inside. I don't know. So I want to merge them to one, make an Archon. $1988, yeah. Yeah, it was a bit better than ZX Spectrum in some sense, at least the first 48K or whatever was the first version of ZX Spectrum. It's a long time now. But then it wasn't the perfect clone, so a lot of demos from the scene were just hardly working there. Niblo, you think? Playing this track live, oh, it would be so awesome. Pentium 3, yeah. My first PC was 486, 66 megahertz, 4 megabytes of RAM, and 162 megabytes of hard drive space. Yeah, it was my first. I spent the first night when I got it reformatting the diskettes. The floppy disks. It was good old times, yeah. Well, it depends, maybe what instrument do you want to play in there? Because I would take a bass, definitely bass for me. Yeah, I played bass in a band like 15 years ago, and then I play sometimes at home, but I wouldn't say I can play bass because there are always better guys, you know, and I'm getting rusty. The only thing I play now, I'm trying to learn to play, is Ableton Push. It's not related to Kate Bush, it's related to Ableton Push. It's this thingy. What's BBC Model B? BBC Model B. Oh. Bass style. Bass style. I haven't used push. Yes, I did use push on one thingy, and it's the end of the hacking stuff. But I did all the sounds in Ableton Live. Games remote. Where was it? Yeah, assets audio. Terminal hacking. Yeah, it's this one. That one is from push. Damn, how do I make it just don't do that? Is there a repeat? Default. Yeah, this one was made on push, but just a simple arpeggio, you know, it's there's nothing there. But the rest of it is from Ableton. Not from Ableton, it's actually made in Ableton Live. It uses yeah, I can show it. It's actually really nice. I even had some screenshots somewhere. I don't remember. But you can actually make a video from your game. I was doing that from on the not sure if I have some video around here, but I can go here. You can actually take a video from the game and put it into the Ableton Live. So I used it here. So I had the video of the animation, and I was synchronizing the sounds directly to the video, and it was really awesome. You just take the video, drag and drop it to the timeline there, and you can just play music along it. It's just really great. I was really not expecting that to happen, but it just worked. And then also I did the same for the gate at the end. And so all the stuff is actually from my sample library, from my own library, and some synths that I set up. So I was really happy to do that, actually myself, and I was not expecting to end up like that. I'm really happy. If there's something I'm really proud in Disposable, is the sound design. I actually want to make more of the gates in the final game. Because I love gates, you know, not the Bill Gates, but the gates in general, and doors, not the doors, but the doors, you know. Yeah, thank you, Miblo. Thank you. I'm really happy how it ended up. I was not expecting to actually make it in 9 days, but then, and there was a big help from several of my friends with testing, and of course from Mr. Garlando Bloom. Oh, thank you, Fiery Drake. It's so awesome that the people actually like it. I was just going to finish something, you know. It wasn't going to be any good game or something like that. I just wanted to have something finished, and it turned out great. So I was really happy about it. People liked it. There are some people that don't like the controls, similar to what Casey was saying on his stream when he was trying to play the game. And actually, he made it through, so it was great. But the controls need a bit of work there. I mean, the work as I have designed them, there are no bugs in there, but people have hard time actually reading that, reading the behavior. So I have to work on that more. Yeah, Mr. Van de Wander did a lot of stuff. How am I doing the graphics in Disposable? I use well, that's kind of a big question, because I have like three different editors most of it is done in Photoshop, of course, the base static graphics, and then the animations are done in, gosh, I don't even remember, it's like a month ago and I'm really old for this stuff. I have graphics scale and I have pixel edit, that's how it's called. Pixel edit, no, it's not installed, it's here. And this one is done in JavaScript. Oh my god, but then it works. Here's the animation for the activating. How do I play this way? Oh, come on. Yeah. This is done here. The basic terminal was made in Photoshop. Then I moved it here and did the animations. It was actually going forward. It wasn't like timing, making the keyframes first and then making the in-betweens. It was just made. I was just going and adding pixels and making all this simple stuff there, and then coming up with some interesting effects, like just placing random pixels and just slicing them over and moving them. That was the most of it. As for the engine, it's Love2D, which is SDL2, I guess, and it's SDL2 for Lua. that's the best way I can describe it. Love2D is just a subset of SDL2 API published to Lua. So all that stuff is going through there. That gives you the basic rendering context and ways to render bitmaps on screen. Then everything else, like animations or the sprites, anything else you have to do yourself. You only get some ways of playing audio, some ways of rendering bitmaps, or some really primitive stuff like rectangles and circles that I don't think I've used. I think I've only used the circles in explosions, and I'm not sure if it. Yeah, circles, and I don't think it's still in it's in a new version, because this one is video from the first version I made, and I think I made a different animation for that. I'm not sure if I made it to the final game, I mean the final prototype I was releasing there, but there are different things for that, different animations. So I'm not using the primitives at all now, so it's just the sprites. And then the stuff like tiles and tile maps, because it's based on tiles, tile map, which I only use for the collision detection. That's from Tiled editor. It was really bad editor to use. It's really, I mean, it's open source, it's made in Qt, and yet it doesn't have the comfort. It didn't pay off to actually make it in Qt, because it has a ton of bugs and I lost my work several times there. But then I'm reading it through Lua from the original XML file, I guess. And the collision system is from episode 50 of Handmade Hero. Thank you, D7. Yeah, the collisions are from Casey, actually, because I loved the way he did it, and I was studying it a lot back then, so I re-implemented that in Lua. and actually really fast. I mean, it's already 60 FPS. But then nothing is going on there, you know. It's just 5 bitmaps at a time. I mean, some are large, like the backgrounds for the rooms. But then yeah, it's really fast, and I didn't need to do much more. Maybe I will make some parallax effect in the background in the next version to make it, because I like the depth of the games. I like the parallax effect a lot, so I think that one was missing there a bit, because all those blue areas should be like see-through to the background, so we will see some other stuff in behind. Yeah, but I think I will go for C++. That I will re-implement it in a kind of casey way, not using his code. Mostly I will just try to do it my way, maybe use his ways to implement stuff, but yeah, I can definitely stream that then when I will be done with Hale, because I want to use Hale for the next or the final version of Disposable. But then I will probably use SDL for the rendering and stuff, because I won't have the time to actually do it the casey way there. But then I don't know what will happen tomorrow. You know, maybe tomorrow I will wake up and just go ahead and start implementing Disposable in C++ with the full render and stuff. But I don't want to do it now. Would the background be later levels too? That's a nice idea. Below, and you can show stuff. But I have this really weird idea for having the bosses to be extremely large. So you will only see, for example, like an eye, but then it will be a full model of a robot in the background that will be so large that you wouldn't be able to see him at all in full size. So we'll only see parts of him through the gaps in there. So it will be kind of like, I haven't played it yet because I don't have much time to play games. I have a lot of other stuff I rather create than actually enjoy. So I haven't played Shadow of the Colossus. I have only seen some videos and playthroughs, and I think that something like that might work there. Because once the big boss or the enemy, which may only be the one enemy, one type, and that will be the large robots of different types. Yeah, yeah, Fire Drake, that's exactly what I want to do. Exactly. But I will need much more time, especially for the music. Especially for the music, because when I was doing music and sound effects at the end, at the ninth day, and it actually changed how I felt about the game completely. It was completely different. I mean, it was much better than I have even planned, so I will have to invest a lot of time in making the music and the effects for that, because that's the 90% of the atmosphere there. From my point of view, I'm not speaking generally. Hers. Oh, hers eye. Well, I wouldn't spoil the game at this point, so But yeah, I will definitely want to do something like a marathon, but not this dense marathon, but mostly like working, I don't know, 4 to 8 hours a day on the game actually, and spend the rest of the day on doing the other stuff like I'm programming for 4 to 8 hours and spending the rest of the day with either music or the graphics on it. But then I love Lua, but I still want to do it in C++ for some reason. Yeah, the audio is... I can only play games with great audio, like PES, for example. I haven't finished PES. I have it like for the time when I finish streaming, I play, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes of PES, and then I go to bed, and I'm happy that I haven't finished it yet, because it's always something new, and sometimes I don't have time for playing it all, so I leave it for a week, and it's always new to me. So that's great about it. I have to finish Braid, and I'm almost at the end, as far as I know, or as far as Mr. Van der Wander was telling me that I am. But I have hit the really bad, really hard puzzle. I think everybody knows about that puzzle. It's with the key that goes like backing time. If you I played Limbo. I finished Limbo. I just played Limbo straight through. I didn't care about the dog or anything at that point. I played Limbo from start to end in one go, on streak, if I can call it that way. Yeah, soundtrack of Limbo is really atmospheric and it's really scary. I don't really like scary stuff too much to listen to while I'm working. But then I can play Limbo soundtrack whenever I'm relaxing or playing something else to actually have the background ambience or ambiance, if you want. The puzzle with the key. Yeah, the puzzle with the key. I'm there, but maybe it will be fun to actually stream it, and because I don't think I think that people have to show other people that they're actually stupid, and I think it will be a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm picking more music that's somehow positive. Not sure why, but then yeah, ambiance, yeah. Okay, you can close this one. Yes, that key. That one key, that one fucking key. There. Yeah. 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 That one key. Oh, music. Music. Musik. No, 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 no. I think we need new music. I hate it. I hope I haven't missed any questions. Yeah, for disposable I'm not sure how I will do the big robot animations. But then before that I want to try I want to try to finish one of my other projects that's for the UI animation. I'm not sure how far I will get in there, but it's Hale's first thing ever, first thing always, not ever, but first thing always that needs to be done and maintained all the time, and in between that I can push through with some disposable perhaps. And the animation tool, I don't know, it's just some idea I have, and maybe there are already some tools that I can just use and don't have to implement it too much, or don't have to spend too much time on that. Okay, so I'll create this base. Atomic veggie. How veggie is pronounced? I just G veggie. Okay, I will use my wedgie. Okay, it's simple. It's so simple. That one key, yeah. Okay, I have to refill my tea. I'll be right back. Oh, I like the font. You made it yourself? Oh, yeah, okay. Your GUI. Yeah. I'm just so hyped to see it. Just can't wait. Oh, that, yeah, yeah. Keep teasing me, yeah. That's the way to go. While I deal with these solid brushes. Damn. Oh. Should I check it for... Well, you wouldn't be... If I would check it, I would... Oh, that's so awesome, man. Oh, that's awesome! Jesus. Does it? How it's supposed to look? No problem at all. There's Miblo, so it's the same. I'm happy as long as Miblo is there. No problem at all. No, I just want the source code, that's all. I just want to use the GUI in I just want to use the GUI. It didn't freeze, it was all okay and it was really awesome. Nikolai, if you're asking for what I just showed, it's a demo from D7 Samurai from the chat. I'm just checking it out. And if you're asking for for the editor, just let me know. D7 Samurai will then have more information about how it was done and stuff like that. I don't think he used Qt though. Right, D7? Yeah, okay. D7 Samurai will tell you more about it. It was his work, it wasn't mine, I was just checking it out. It's not done in Qt. Yeah. But why? Why D7? Why Martin? Why it's not done in Qt? Okay. That is interesting. What I'm planning to do with the GUI actually, D7. Everybody is learning from Casey, I guess. What I'm interested in how is how Casey and John Blow both ended up using Emacs, and whether Mr. Fourth Dimension was using Emacs before, because I've never used Emacs on Windows. Oh yeah, the platform stuff. Yeah, I remember that. D7. I remember that it was this really interesting project. We're looking forward for that. Actually. Even though we don't want to use my editor in there, but I'm completely okay with that. Yeah, it's a good operating system with a bad text editor, as far as I know about it, and it actually tried it and feel the same way. Like the text editor is not really great, but the idea of Emacs it's really weird, and I guess D7 is going that way, with having a platform within a platform, but with a good text editor, I guess. Yeah, 76 Emacs, and I think it was 1990 with Vim, if I'm not mistaken, or something around that year. 1991. Yeah, 1991. 23 years ago. Who was born in 1991 from you guys? 23, that was probably Mr. 4 Dimension? No. Bro. Oh, slave away in the PHP. Yeah. Just try C++ someday. Go visit Casey and his tutorials, especially the initial one, and the chat as well. So see you, Nikolai. Nikolai. Oh, Nikolai, are you from here, from Eastern Europe somewhere? Because it really sounds like you are from here. Thank you, D7. You didn't have to do that. I just need your source code. That's all I want. Java is always better. Java is better for anything. One days. Vim is really interesting. I mean, I spent some time learning it. It was like a half a year ago. I spent like a month or two learning it, and then a month using it, just to get a little bit of the feel of using Vim. And I'm scared I would end up more thinking about how to edit text or code instead of actually thinking about the code, because once you have such great features, you just want to use them, and I'm afraid I would end up just being a just sorry, I'm reading what you are writing there. And I'm being a junkie on all those commands and the Vim language and stuff like that. Yeah. So I've chosen the way of the modern editors that actually has just a few commands that I can simply remember and don't have to think too much about it. But then there are also ways you can do in a modern way. Yeah. Yeah, and also I never heard of somebody who started and wanted to use Vim and used it for, I don't know, a year, that would actually leave Vim for anything else. I heard about guys going for Emacs, but they also installed there some Vim emulation and stuff like that, so they will just using a different shell for the Vim, but they actually never left Vim. But then Vim for me on Windows has big troubles, and also on Mac with clipboard and stuff like that. With the OS integration, it was really hard for me to use for some text copying around and stuff like that. And I don't know. I think NeoVim will be better in that sense. I can use GVim, but then GVim doesn't have that connection to the shell and to actually doing all the other stuff you can do in console Vim. That's my view on that. I guess. Yeah, I want to try to do some Vim stuff. I would like to experiment a lot with what can be done, and maybe in allowing users to actually define their own behavior that would take the best of the BIM that then use and then build on that. Yeah, BI is actually as old as Emacs. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I have GVim open all the time, just because I love how it looks. It's actually some of my setup from the console, but then yeah, I was trying Unicode in there. It doesn't work at all. This is the Greek text I'm using for testing Unicode, because I just need the basic layer to work. I don't want to go now soon to Arabic and Hebrew and Thai languages, just because that can wait for a little longer. But even for the basic Czech or Slovak language, I need some basic Unicode support too. Yeah. I'm not sure about Emacs Glock 78. I think people will go somewhere else from Emacs, but then it's just my opinion. I don't want to say anything about about other people. Yeah. Nano is great. I love Nano, and I also love Joe. Only 7 with a new screenshot. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I want to show you here. Thank you. And it's really great you actually use this sign text. The demo scene stuff that was so overused there. And also the greetings. That's awesome. Yeah, said a lot of people speaking about MC Edit lately. I know some of the best programmers I know about on Windows actually used File Manager, if you know what I'm speaking of. And they were actually using the File Manager's own edit functionality to actually do a ton of code there. Yeah, it really comes down there, but that's the thing I want to do with Hale, that there will be some default Hale builds that will be like my own defined behavior that I like to have. I would like to show on that how you can customize Hale to do anything. or most of the stuff, like 90% of stuff. If you like Vim or if you like Emacs or anything like that, you can actually use it anywhere. So you can actually configure Hale to do that as well. But then I'm a bit scared because I don't like letting users to actually configure their experience too much, because because the user will have to be a user experience expert to actually get it right. But then I bet that the core users around Hale will actually be really great at user experience, even though they have not studied it or not doing that. What do you mean? What do you mean by your own window handling stuff? You are not using Hwind and all that stuff. You are just rendering directly to desktop context, or what's that? Or I'm not getting it. Shift click drag. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, okay, that's great. Actually, I have some questions for you on that one, because I don't know if you have ever used. Just show me the screenshot how it should look. Yeah, I have Windows 7. I have Windows 7, yeah. There is one Battle.net does it, and Battle.net does it so well. And Battle.net is actually done in Qt and QML. The client, I mean. I'm not sure if it will even run. No, it won't. Oh, it did. This is Battle.net client, and what I love about it is that it still has the shadows. The sizing is spot on. I mean, it's rendering this stuff well. It takes a bit time to render the tiles in there, I guess, but it's not a big deal. But it's a classic window, but the resizing, it doesn't have any borders, and the resizing is amazing there. And I don't know how they did it. And I think it's also a bit, no, it's not transparent, but I don't care about transparency there. But this is exactly what I want the Hale window to look like. Even if I would even experiment with rounding the corners a bit. Not much, but just by, I don't know, 2 to 4 pixels, something like that, just to have that little bit smooth feel. Magnify, let me see. No, it's not. It's not rounded here. I don't care. It still is the best frameless window I've ever seen. Yeah, I remember that scaling down on Windows Plus. Yeah, I don't need to be rounding the window. I would just give it a try to see how it looks, because the same thing is actually done on Mac and it looks great. Yeah, I don't know how to implement that, but if it gets any slower, I wouldn't do it, because I saw some implementations that were actually doing some really crazy stuff to actually get the rounded corners there. But then what I'm doing now is that I'm extending the glass area to the full window, and the window is already rounded. So maybe if I just cannot draw over the corners, not sure. Oh, is Win 10 working for you then? Okay, okay. I will be updating to Windows 10 maybe next month. Just want to give it a try. Not sure if I will update or just install it somehow in a virtual machine. Oh yes, I know. I see what you mean. Yeah. The flag is missing there. Yeah. 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 Yeah, and also your implementation doesn't have the shadow. Yeah, yeah, I remember that, yeah. But I don't know if you see it in a full screen now. It looks great. I guess this is how we want it to look. Oh, okay, okay. I see. It's a pop-up, okay. Hours. It's also late tonight. Okay. Yeah, the borderless window, I was experimenting with that a ton. There is one single code that actually does the resizing awesomely fast and is also having the shadow. I'm sure you already saw that, but just in case I can send it to you. The piece of code. Maybe you can take a look at it and maybe you will find better ways to do the same thing I'm going to do there. Where is it? Development. not this one. Yeah. So this is what I'm doing now. And now I'm doing it in Qt, which needs a bit of hacking, but once I get the alpha build working, I will try to put it there as well. And the screenshot you saw of Hale, I'm not sure if I will be able to find it. It was actually a screenshot, it wasn't done. It wasn't faked. Tweets. I think I have it on my blog. Faster way. Yeah, but if you do it manually, then you won't get the good things from the Windows, unless you actually know how to implement all that stuff, like Windows key up and stuff like that. I just was too lazy to do it myself. Yeah, this is it. This is the screen. This is a screenshot. It's actually done on this background, and it's a borderless window with a nice smooth shadow. But then this shadow only works on Windows 7. Windows 8 has a really tiny shadow, but still it works because people get used to it on Windows 8 and Windows 10. So the Windows 8 and Windows 10 have this really tiny shadow, but it's still good. It still works, and I want the standard shadow in there. Actually, I would love Windows 8 and 10 have this big shadow, because I had really bad problems with Windows 8. Yeah, you would still use message loop, but you will just handle the mouse on the mouse messages and do your own thing there. Like specify internal and specify where is the sizing border and whether the mouse is there, and you will just resize the window using that. But then you won't get these snap features, whatever it's called, like you can actually move windows to sides and stuff like that, or maximize, minimize, restore and stuff like that, which is something I really have to use, because I don't have to touch my mouse at all for that. Yeah, D7. If you use the little trick in that gist, I don't know what's it doing exactly. I think it's just changing the frame rate, the update frame rate for the window somehow, and maybe it's only good to be done when the user is actually resizing. And when he stops, you can actually just restore it back, because I'm not sure what it's doing to the GPU at all, or even the processor, but this one worked like a charm for OpenGL window, and it was just an OpenGL window. It was nothing more. It was OpenGL window with the same as Hale has currently, but the resizing was just awesomely fast. And I was doing also some yeah, I'm not doing WM size. I'm doing WM sizing. and hit testing in a standard way, just to restore the standard buttons and the top title bar to actually move the windows. And in window sizing, I only the window sizing, WM sizing is only used for snapping to because this application was actually terminal emulator, so it was snapping to the cell size. Just snapping the size to the cell size, yeah. And it was calling the resize, which actually did some magic with it updated the renderer, the buffer, and also the GL. Yeah, you don't care about WM Paint at all at that point, once you are using OpenGL Direct 3D. I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, you are always behind. But with that little trick I showed you, you can actually make your window to be updated faster. I don't know what it actually does to the system though, so I'm not sure. Actually, only one thing I'm interested in is that with this trick I showed you there, you actually see the glass on Windows 7. When you are trying to resize, you see the glass for a split of a second until you get the WM size message, I guess. And I don't want people to see the glass at all because it kind of breaks the magic of it. But then also Windows 10 already has the windows borderless. I mean, there's a 1 pixel border or something like that, but I can deal with that. It's completely okay, fine with me. But then it also depends how many people will actually move from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So hopefully, yeah. Actually, I only want to move to Windows 10 because the windows are just borderless. I don't like to see. I hate glass. I hate this stuff around. I mean, it was cool when it came in Vista, but then it's not nice. It doesn't work with current design, with the design of the applications I'm interested with, and also the design of the application Microsoft is doing. With the flat design, really simple one, it doesn't work with that at all. So no matter what you do, you always get this ugly menu, and you always get this ugly glass around it. And it's just something I don't want to see in any of my applications. So you're on an... I like your portrait there. It looks awesome. Do you think so? Am I using that in that example? No, I'm not. Or maybe that did a bit of a trick as well. Is anyone in the chat that is actually using a white background in an editor? Okay, D7. I'll let you take your time to read the code of awesomeness in there. It was really the only thing I found that was working. I was trying to find stuff in a... Yeah, I was really pro white theme, but since I'm always working at night, it was just killing my eyes. I don't mean during the day it's maybe better to use the light theme, especially in my apartment, because I have a windows not directly behind me, but on the side, on the left side. and I see the glare even though I have a pretty good LCD. It does the best it can to actually minimize the glare, but it's always there, and it's better to have a light theme. But then in the night it's always a dark theme, and I'm actually kind of thinking why we don't have all the websites kind of because when I switch to Chrome, it's always just shining too much, and I would like to have everything set up to the black like Miblo has. I bet he doesn't care too much with or cannot do too much with other websites, but then I just really hate this. Yeah, I know about that one. I was just taking out some Windows example about it or something like that. It was using zero memory. Yeah. We're just using zero memory, and I've changed it to memset, I guess. I was going with it because it was really time when I didn't really care about how the code is written, as I just wanted it to work, and I tried a ton of stuff. Miblo. HMH bot educating incel bot. That's so nice. I still haven't seen the whole yesterday Handmade Hero stream. I still want to just sit somewhere in the dark and cold and all naked and just watch it all the way through and just try everything in case it did that myself. Not sure when I will be able to get to that, because I want to finish this thing, and I guess once I get how he's and what he's doing there, actually I won't even bother going back to Hale. I think Autechre, I'm not sure I pronounced the name correctly, but then I can just do this one thing I wanted to do before. I wanted to do this one for some time. I'm not sure mispronounced. I just hate Photoshop. It's just, oh god. Yeah, I think Autechre, I think Google Chrome has something like themes, something like that, doesn't it? that would enable, will make it just, yeah, this one for example, F2 Pro, let me see. I hate this one. Oh god, that's so ugly. Oh, just some simple black. No, this is just still okay. Okay. Let me see how my beloved search engine works there. Okay. It doesn't look that bad. Oh, Glock 78, no problem, and thank you for being here, and see you next time. And of course the NN for you. See ya, mate. Yeah, D7, just give it a try. Maybe you'll find something that is interesting for you, and if you don't, maybe you will find something that's just bad to you completely. So I won't even bother doing that. I just didn't have the time to actually go through it. I don't like this theme. I've decided that I don't like this theme. Show me this one. No. This one. No. Google Chrome material theme. I'll probably help to play with this one. So you invented the name, Miblo? Oh, so you're on Wikipedia as well. Hello, Miblo. Now we got your picture. March, nice. Oh, D7. Oh, that's a bit of a problem there. Yeah, so I'd say, I don't know, you were 21 years old there on that picture. So document layout. Layouts, okay, text layouts, document layout. Oh, okay. I will need to... Yes, text layouts, document layouts. And it does Windows 8.1 do the resizing better? Doesn't it? I haven't tried it actually, but maybe just doing it better all the way through, because I read somewhere that they are changing something in there in the composition engine. Yeah, maybe you are maybe not smoking. That's why. So we are 26, 25. Me blow. Yeah, Windows versions are just crap at resizing. That's generally really a big problem. That's good. That's good for you. I wish I hadn't. But then hey. Oh, 24 going to 25. Am I miscalculating something? You are now what, 28, 29, 29? You should be 29. Am I wrong? I am wrong most of the time, so it was 4 years ago. Yeah, if you are 28, 29, 4, yeah, 24, 25. Okay. Okay, my bad. No, I'm right. But then what year is it? 2015. 2011 was 4 years ago. Yeah, okay, okay, fair enough, okay, okay. $2015. Okay. Okay. That's good. Good. I don't know. I always... It's like a month ago I started thinking that my brain just switched to 2016. I don't know whether it's because it's 16 and I have number 16 and 8 and 32 and all their brothers and sisters. Don't know. Don't know. Just never know. Post the hub. I'm programming a text editor. That's what I do. Yeah, anyway, welcome to the stream. The question is, what are you programming? That's important here. And what editor you use to do that. While December, Effector, you're looking forward for a Handmade conference. Yes, my editor will be available for public, for free, and it will be open source. Oh, Autechre, I see now. Graduation. Money. Money, money. Oh, I'm sorry about that, Autechre. Oh, thank you, Poster Hub. Well, just don't give a damn. Just don't give a damn. Just don't give a damn. I just want it to work somehow. I don't care how. I don't care how just yet. I will eventually. But then it's not the right time. They're talking about guys, Miblo and Autechre. Japanese friendly? Oh, hello, Windows Update. Let me just shush you. Thank you. Oh, it's error. It's a Japanese friendly LOL. Okay, okay, we're talking about that invention. I think it's because Japanese are unable to, or are reading R's as L's. Unable to pronounce R or L. I'm not sure. Or is it something like that, right? I'm going to get some water, guys. I'll be right back. God damn cutie. What? Oh, damn. Show me the crash. Show me the crash. There we go. There we go. It's a pronunciation or pronunciation? Pronunciation. Okay, so it's a pronunciation and pronounce. Okay. Okay. I don't get the difference, but hey. Yeah. How loud is it when I drink? I'll have to check back the videos, but I don't want it to be I'll have to get a headset that I can just mute. But hopefully it's not that loud. Yeah, enunciate and pronunciate. As opposed to mumbling. Well, I then don't qualify to enunciation. Yeah, enunciation is how clearly you speak, and then pronunciation is how correctly you pronounce the words. Well, I used the pronounce word in defining pronunciation, but hey, go figure. You are the smart guys here, not me. Okay. That's great, me blow. At least one person in the chat doesn't hear me drinking. I'm not sure how much the microphone is picking up because the gate settings in OBS are just weird. But then, hey, I can drink and I will see. It's actually okay, it should be okay. It looks like it's okay. There should be only some small noises, nothing dog licking balls, like, hopefully. I'm going to do a really stupid thing here. I'm really going to do a stupid thing. Just because I don't want to deal with this shit and I want to. Dog licking balls. Well, on my SoundCloud actually, where is it? Profile, no, tracks. And it should be somewhere here, hopefully. Is it? It's not! It's not there anymore. Damn. Not sure if I have it. Work projects, music. We'll be here, we're doing public music. Oh, it's not there. It's not there at all. Do I have translate from Danish there? Yes. But Lízání. Oh, okay. Okay. Bez olizuje koule. That's how it's pronounced. But even better is pes si líže koule. You can do that here. Pes si líže. Not sure if I will get it right. Líže koule.
Pes si lies cool. Pes si líže koule.
Oh, can I download it?
Pes si líže koule.
God. Okay, now everything is going to break here. Okay, Qt just... You're not drunk enough. That's true, I'm not drunk at all. I still have the... Wait, we will have to do this right. That... Cointreau? Is that correct? Does anybody know? Just a second. Cointreau. Okay. So I still have it here. And I will maybe have to bring a new glass. Oh, thank you, me blow. I don't speak French at all, but I like over enunciate and pronounce their words so much. But what I love the most is British English. I don't know if you were here. I was coming out with that. Project already open. Oh, is it? Oh, is it? Oh, no, 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 no. Just love British English. That's something I always loved, and I don't know why that is. And I mean all the accents around my boss in the previous company I worked for was Irish, I guess. I just couldn't get enough of his accent. It was amazing. If I will move somewhere, it will be somewhere with British, Scottish, whatever accent. I mean, all the accents in those islands are just, oh god. I found that when I was watching, it was back in 2000s maybe, when I was watching Snatch movie. Oh god, I love that movie so much. Just because those accents, it's just so fun and so cool. So very, very cool. Captain Craft, yes, I'm streaming and I'm trying to talk. Don't know if you can hear me. And welcome. Welcome. Yeah, Fire, I was listening to you yesterday and it was so great. I mean, you cannot even imagine how I love listening to British English. But not Casey's British English. It wasn't correct, and I'm not even trying to mimic it because I don't. Well, I'm trying to mimic it, but it's only when I'm talking with my Czech friends because they just cannot tell the difference, you know. But otherwise, Snatch Blu-ray, yeah. I don't know if we can play a bit from that. Hopefully Mr. Kelimian will be able to deal with that.
It's the Russian.
A Russian?
Well, to be technical, he's an Uzbekistanian, but...
Uzbekistanian? I've been dealing with those sneaky Russian dogs. Give me a name.
Oh, no. Boris.
Boris the Blade?
Yeah.
As in Boris the Bullet Dodger?
Why do they call him the Bullet Dodger?
Because he dodges bullets heavy.
Thank you, Miblo. Oh, but I love your voice.
What's that?
At least for the bit I heard. Okay.
It's a shotgun.
This is okay. I won't be talking to this.
A Russian?
Well, to be technical, he's an Uzbekistanian, but...
Uzbekistanian? I've been dealing with those sneaky Russian dogs. Give me a name.
Oh, no. Boris.
Boris the Blade?
Yeah.
As in Boris the Bullet Dodger?
Why do they call him the Bullet Dodger?
Because he dodges bullets heavy.
Just worry about getting us a gun, yeah?
Yeah? What's that? This is a shotgun, son.
It's a fucking anti-aircraft gun, Vincent.
Yeah, well, I want to raise some pulses, don't I?
You'll raise hell. Never mind pulses.
There is a problem with pikers or gypsies.
What are you doing, partner? Get out your way back.
Can't really understand much of what is being said.
You tell me. You come out of Cataract.
He's thrown ill.
Fuck, man. Tell me, Mickey.
It's not Irish. It's not English.
How are you? Hey, what is the kind just for the horses, you know?
It's just, well, it's just piker.
Fuck me. You look at the size of it.
It's a campsite. A piking campsite.
10 points.
What are we doing here?
We're buying a caravan.
Off a pack of fucking pikers. What's wrong with you? This will get messy.
Not if you're here.
Oh, you bastard. I fucking hate pikers.
What you doing with him? The case was attached to his arm. So why didn't you drop it off?
Why? He ain't fucking butchers, Boris. The fact that you've got replica written down the side of your gun. And the fact that I've got Desert Eagle. .58.
Okay, in order to not get banned not get blown, I will just switch it off. But if you haven't seen it, watch it. Push back. I don't even why I have a vector. I don't know, and I don't really know. Just because I was so lazy to do the stuff differently. Like, correctly, for example. Okay. Oh, music. I think we want a new music. New music. Have here. What do we have here? Something that wouldn't be. No, John Hopkins. No, that would be bad. It wouldn't go through. But we can go to YouTube and play something from the YouTube. Any ideas, guys? Oh, and we also have Organ Trail. Okay, let's try Organ Trail soundtrack. Which guy? Whoa! What's that? Is it Organ Trail? Was it Oregon Trail? Oh, Effector, yes, I love those. Oh, I love that movie. Competitive programming, yeah. Okay, let's do that.
Why'd you come here? Look what you done.
Vomiting Organs, Organ Trail, and the Vomiting Dinosaur Spills cassette.
What's he done to you?
Okay, then this wouldn't be it. Okay, this one. Okay, let's go with this one. We'll see. We will see. Pardon. Excuse me. I just watched Lord of the Rings today. There's one phrase I'm getting a bit proud of, that I think it's good in British English when I say it. And I'm actually practicing it for like 5 years now. Oh, what? Not this one. Not this one. Oh, this is a bit more like speed metal-y. Speed metal-y and chaotic a bit. I mean, I like it, but then it makes me focus on the music more than I would like. We can try the two things that yes, this is it. Audio library and the Twitch music library. I just want to give it a try because we are trying something with Kalimian there. The phrase, oh, the phrase is "Hello, mate." And I don't know which accent it is, but this is how I sound when I speak British. When my mind thinks I'm speaking British, this is it. That's the one. There's nothing else. Let's go with jazz and blues. Can we actually make it somehow? Yeah, Cockney accent, yeah. Yeah, Cockney is something I'm really interested in. In any video on YouTube, I just always look for Cockney accent. Yeah. It was actually when I was first time when I was in London. It was like 2006 or something, and the taxi driver was talking to me like that. So I was trying to find out which accent it is, and I found the Cockney accent. Is there anything we can do to attribution not required? Okay, let's do that. And jazz and blues. I don't want to monetize my video, come on, I'm working on them. MIT licensed editor. I don't want. Okay. What's that? Is that a TV show or something like that? It's not this one. Well, I'm not sure how many things this little change will actually do. Little tiny change from instance to a pointer. It's awful. Okay, so I can play a bit from it. Do I have any example for that? Does it have a Cockney accent in that? If it has, that's all I need. I don't want this at all. I don't want this at all. Okay. Okay. I'll give it a listen.
I asked you a question. Don't tell me, Lord.
Is this jazz and blues? I don't think this is jazz and blues.
Something happened. Should we open the presents? No. Why did Dad go off with Lucy? Has something happened? No, nothing has happened. What, is she okay? Mum, where is she? I don't know.
Oh, I love it.
I don't know where she is. What do you mean you don't know her? Oh, Lauren,
Okay, okay. I'll give it a go after the stream. Okay, so document init vector push. We don't have it initialized. I actually like the change. Init document blocks 1. flux. Why is he a monster? Yay! No crashing. There's no crashing in there. There's no crashing. It's not crashing, it's doing shit, but it doesn't crash. It's better than most software we'll get to. Okay. I need to get a smoke of win. Smoke of victory. I'll be right back. Cockney butterfly. Status. So do we know all the names for the speakers? Actually, I hate what they taught me in school with English pronunciation, because they told us to essentially what every Czech, Slovak, or Russian guy trying to mimic English accent or English correct pronunciation will do, and that is to turn every R to R, which is something I really hate, and I love how British people are actually not using the R that much. I would like to find an algorithm for that. I'm trying to, but then I'll have to speak much more. Then I'm happy that I currently work for a English-speaking company. What's going on there? Yeah, most stuff from I mean, most of the guys are just not trying to get their R's to be the best they can, but then you don't have to use it that much. It's something you have to learn at school, and they are not doing the good job at all. But then we had American lecture for that, which is all about R's. Oh, this was kind of British R's. Or Welsh maybe? I don't know. So who is it? I mean, I'm not really. Oh, Casey's using smileys. Has he ever used a smiley in his status? I'm just sensitive to that because my friend is not using smileys at all. I haven't seen this one. I haven't seen it. Because, for example, the word understand, that told us to use to pronounce it like understand, but then the British will just say understand. They will not even get to the R there. Bottom left and middle right, this and this one. Well, let's just use the technology. Have you tried the technology for that? Okay, I will try to save it. Bottom left, and this is middle right PNG. Middle right. Which one was it? This one. Best guess for this image is Warcraft 1. Well, no it isn't. No it isn't. No it is not. Not at all. But damn, I just didn't do it right then. Did I? Oh, stupid dog. Resistance, Fall of Man. Do we know that game? I didn't know that game. Yeah, exactly, Miblo. It's just trying to get there because that's the biggest difference in. We can pronounce any of your letters, if I may say so, but the R is different, and that is something that everybody is going to focus on. Pronounce your R L like W. Okay, I'll try that. So can it be this one, because it seems that Google is pretty sure that it's this one, and I guess it's that one because hey, it's right here. So we have that one, and now we can go for this one because I don't think Casey actually went ahead and actually played the games. He just went and bottom left and just used images. You know, if I will do this one, is it there? Yeah, it's the same image, isn't it? It was no, it isn't. So was he so trying to actually find this one? Yeah, it's this one. So maybe he scrolled down at 2 or 3 pages and just used whatever was there. So it's resistance, Fall of Man, and now we go for bottom left. Fuse. So we have the 2. Milk. Oh yes, I get it. It's a milk. That's great. That's so great. Milk. It makes me laugh in a really funny way I didn't want to present on a stream. So it's a fuse and it's a resistance of man then. And whoever Insomniac Games. And who is there? Who is in Insomniac Games? Do we know? Whoever is there. If it's Mike Acton, I might reconsider my visit to USA. Oh, is he? Yep. Oh, maybe whoa. Oh, maybe whoa. So it might be. Which one is Mr. Ford's line? Oh, that one from Insobot. Okay. Amita Hare, I'm not well, if Mike Acton will be there. I'm interested in Sean Barrett, Casey, of course, and Mike Acton. These guys are guys I would like to really see, but yeah, J Blow. Not really sure, because J Blow is all over the internet. You know, you can actually. I mean, it's great to meet him, but then Mike Acton has like what, one video out there. Sean Barrett 0. Casey has like what is it, 208. But then you know you just need to meet Casey anyway. But then he will ask me about Disposable. So. Oh, we don't have the music anymore. Let's go with the music. Let's do it in a different way. Oh. Jeroen. It's a Jeroen. Mr. Jeroen. To have too much work to do with the archiving the videos, because it was really a nightmare that I caused just by playing licensed music. Oh, Andrew. JDR, it's interesting. My Twitter is actually a mess at this point because I follow too much people. So I need to clean it up a bit because I already follow 212 people that and it's not this on top, but it's the most on the bottom of the list that I no longer am interested in, and I'm trying to get it to bring it a bit shorter to actually actually be able to read stuff people are tweeting about. Oh, Miblo, you cheater! So it's Zero, and so I'm actually interested whether it's correct pronunciation of Kalimian's name. He doesn't seem to be around today. Today, is he? Okay. Okay, let's get back to this stuff. I need to get it done before Casey goes online, which is in like what? Why is there green color? Oh, we are talking on Handmade here. Okay. Well, if you like it, it's your stuff, you know. It's your... Okay. I'm no longer following Mike Acton. It's impossible. Was it the last clean that I... Oh my god. So this is the reason I don't know about that. It's a pity that I actually work as a designer, so I cannot get my company to pay for this stuff. It's a blasphemy, yes, Andrew. I just, oh, yeah, I'm really sorry. Hopefully now, when I'm following him, my code will get instantly better. Hello, D7. You're back, it seems. Yes, I can. Oh, so you were going to fix the problem. Oh, didn't have to do that. Okay. Oh, that's so beautiful. But then you can actually render the shadow yourself, no? If you are handling the windows in your way, you can actually handle that. Well, you have to take care of the maximize state to actually remove the shadow and make the window smaller, but then it is possible actually. But yeah, for me it looks like fixed. Actually, it would be so awesome if we can get something like an operating system to look like this, to be full screen, to look like something like Miblo has set up and many other people I saw in Linux, so we can actually have a UI to be full screen. It might look like it's frozen because I've used escape for the full screen. Elephant is there. Start Chimoburai platform. Can you GUI this? Abner, Aleph. Aleph, I just love your color. It's just so great. I hate it, but then I love it. I love it because I hate it. To be correct. Yeah, it should work now. I'm not sure. I've pressed escape, so it should be normal full screen, like just a maximized window. Okay, good, good. It's really smooth. It's like it feels like 60 FPS, but I would guess it's a bit more. Then I'm not sure. Yep, it works anytime, just find me, send it to me, I can test it for you however we want. I don't care. So the resizing works, I've tried it, it works, it looks amazing. And I still love the font. Yep, it's really great. I really love it. I like kind of condensed fonts. I don't really like the rectangle ones. I mean the square ones. This is on the edge of what I like. Console in a certain size will actually look much more rectangular than it really is. Let's get this thing done. Done and gone. UI. Render. Okay, so I can do document layout. Draw. Window. Document layout is panel. Document session layout. That's all there is. No, it's 0, 0. Now it should crash. Okay, didn't. But that is not. I guess it just doesn't have. Oh, God. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh, good lordy. Good lordy. Yeah, so, Get the block. Get the block. This one, it. These spend more time on updating the greetings list. Actually, I'm working on the platform, right? For future demos. Okay. Yes, you are indeed. You are up there with the Abner. With that Abner. Oh, timer works too, right? Okay. 2 hours 54 minutes. Almost 3 hours to get this working. Where is it coming from? Get block. Why is it coming there? Oh, it's an info blocks count. What? What's the blocking? Oh, god damn it. Scroll block I and scroll block Y. Why scroll block? It's I and Y. Okay, am I initializing? Yes, I'm initializing the blocks to... I shouldn't. Should I? This is now Graham 7's music? What? What is? Graham 7 isn't he also from a string? From the KC string? Okay, at this point I think I can bring you guys to the screen actually. It's one of us. Isn't he Graham 5 or something like that? Below. Graham 7, okay. So I think I'm talking about somebody else, but this grandson. How old is 7? It's interesting that you are always ready for these kind of jokes. Actually, isn't there an automatic way to translate the English spoken word from the YouTube videos to subtitles or something like that? I was actually trying to find some way back in when the Handmade Hero started. Yeah, exactly, Miblo. The 7 is just. Well, let's say it. He's just funny. It's out there. I said it. Oh, Isabel is gone. How is that possible? Insofar seems to be still on the stream. Oh, that. But isn't there already a way to actually do that? I mean, it wouldn't be perfect, but yeah, the captions. But then you can search within the captions. You know, my idea was that as long as I have at least somehow some captions done automatically, I can at least search within them. Actually, find when he was talking about certain stuff that I'm interested in. So yeah. Okay, I think the music is getting on my nerves a bit. This moment, just so intense. Any recommendations for the music? We only play game music, and that is most. Oh, I think there is a guy, and he was mentioned on extra credits. That is, yeah. Oh, I was expecting something more. Overclocked remix. Oh, that's nice. So Legend of Zelda. I'm going to do that. It's Abner's thing to do that. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, I'm not sure if YouTube does that, because I wasn't able to find it. Excuse me. So maybe it was just me that I wasn't able to find it there, because I wanted to just... I actually downloaded some of Casey's videos and uploaded them again, trying to enable... Oh, but I guess there might be some open source or open project that already does it, but we'll have to take the audio from the videos and well, the results are sometimes comical, but then you still can at least do a search within them. Which is the only thing I was interested in back then. Post a funny screenshot, Mr. Andrew JDR. But this thing should actually work. It should work. There's no reason. This already has all the information. Okay, okay, that's all good. Next layout. Okay.
Play the song of awakening.
My editor won't play music, but then, as long as it's open source, you can actually just let it play the music, you know. But then I will also be making a music player once I get my rendering stuff cross-platform done, because I have some ideas on a really simple music player. Oh, that's so funny. Send it to Casey. Somebody do that. Do just that. But yeah, Casey's English is quite good, you know. So I mean his enunciation, you know. So I think it wouldn't be really hard to do it automatically. Yes, there will be some bad stuff going on in there, but it's still like I don't know, might just work. And I mean, I don't want to take Miblo's work, you know. He's doing an amazing job, actually. It's like I can't even imagine I would be doing that job for so many videos that Casey's keeping producing. And no, Miblo, I won't ask you to annotate my stream. Not now, at least, because I plan to do some just demo videos that will be just or streams that will be just, I don't know, around an hour, or everything that happened on the actual stream will will be shown and demoed. So yeah, people. There's no need to do that actually, because there's no gain in seeing this stuff. I mean, I can explain any stuff from the editor on demand on the stream, and if people will be interested in how I made it and what the architecture is, because you cannot see it actually. I understand that you cannot see it from the stream, how it's working out. The parts are bound together, and what are the problematic parts that I want to focus on and stuff like that. So I can do that in a demo or something like that, in a dedicated video that will actually explain all that stuff if people are interested. So I have no problem with doing that. However, I will especially like to do it on a stream, so I can actually talk to people directly and have them ask questions and stuff like that. I'm not sure about this music though. DJ Pretzel, let's try DJ Pretzel. DJ Pretzel. Yeah, I don't think demo will need annotation. I mean, there's I would like to give it a structure that will actually do the job well. Maybe the questions might be annotated somehow that people can reach to them, but then I will rather spend time on taking those questions and building them into the documentation, or just linking to them from some FAQ section or something like that on the side once it's up. Okay, DJ Pretzel. Is there any? There are none. Okay, I think we will go just back to our music. But I love this Circle Infinity music. This music is just so awesome. Yeah, I won't be churning out videos like Casey is, like every day doing a video without having time to go back and actually write the questions down somewhere. You cannot ask Casey to do that, you know, he has a ton of other things to do, and we should be only happy that he's actually doing all that stuff for us already. So, but I will be happy to actually do my videos and annotate them somehow, somewhere, and bring down the questions, because it's just the requirement for any kind of a product that should be clear from the documentation. What it does, how it does it, how it's structured, and all that stuff, so people can find that information, or we can link them to that and stuff like that. So And it doesn't mean that I don't want your work to be done here, but I think your work can be done on much more important streams, and especially for Casey, because we all need Casey to be immortalized, if that's the correct pronunciation of that. Well, if the, Andrew, if the captions are good, then we can actually make a search through them, something like a website or something like that. That we actually go through the videos, go through the auto captions, and do that. But then, do you have to cut down the videos to 30 minutes, or what's the trick there to actually get anything to make the auto captions from KC videos? Oh, hello, Mr. 4 Dimension. Print that correctly. That's amazing, actually. Hello, hello. Well, maybe on YouTube they raised the limit, or maybe, yeah, or maybe it's because day 206 was special. You know, there was a lot of people there. Maybe it's based on the number of views from different countries, so they automatically add the captions for those videos. I bet they are that smart in Google to do that, because I guess most of their code is about not doing the work they don't have to do. Yeah, day 120. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I think there is. I think I saw some kind of a software that provided he has the audio. You can actually convert it to captions or something like that. And there's a ton of speech recognition stuff, and this is English, and really good. Very well announced English that can be used. Oh. Well, maybe... Isn't there something Casey has to do when he's uploading the videos to actually enable that? Because I remember that it was a year ago I had to turn it on myself somehow when I was uploading the video. And I'm not sure if my YouTube channel has it, still has it. Yeah, 27.
Welcome everyone to Handmade.
Yeah. This is a re-upload of Casey's videos. One of Casey's videos, and it doesn't have it seems. Yeah. Yeah, and this is, I don't know who I was talking to about the QML, but this one is one of the QML applications I did. And the UI is just all animated, and it does really nice things, and it was really easy to do actually there. And all the time I had the feeling I have I have the control over the animations and everything that was done there. And this is application that my friends were doing, and I was doing the Windows client for that. I'm sorry, I got distracted by the chat. And just about sharing the application is about sharing files over the local Wi-Fi between the various devices. But it doesn't matter right now. Yeah, and here's a demo from one of my older prototypes. Actually, it's called Inua, from which the Hale came. And it's about showing a smooth scrolling. And the reason why it's getting all, what is that, green, is because I'm on the top of the document in a adding and removing the comment. So in that way I can see how fast the parser is, and I'm already on a line like 600, and it always does it instantly, and it's parsing the C++ code, you know. So it was really fast thing there, and it was done actually in QML, I think, and it was really fast. So I'm not really scared that we can do a great Andrew, you made a the Qt platform layer for HMH. This making the mods itchy. So, where was me? I'm going for a smoke for a minute. I'll be back. D7, if forgot to remind me of cycling the videos, so I will just